Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am making super delicious strawberry cheesecake. Yeah, these days I was scrolling through a lot of viral cheesecake recipes, so I thought strawberry seasons are going to end super soon, so why not make the homemade strawberry cheesecake recipe for you all. So for this I have taken 250 grams of strawberries. I have washed them nicely and then chop it into small pieces. We will be making strawberry compote for our cheesecake. So into the pan we will add our chopped strawberries and we will cook them on a medium flame. After this we will add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice into it. Mix them well and 1 tablespoon of jaggery into it. If you can also add sugar if you want, and we will cook them for about 9 to 10 minutes. And after sometimes you'll notice that the strawberries are started releasing their juices and it will form like a syrup consistency. So after this we will add half teaspoon of corn flour into it. It's completely optional, you can also skip, but it will give it a nice texture, a binding to our compote. So after adding this corn flour we will mix the compote together and cook it for another 1 or 2 minutes, and our strawberry compote will be ready. If you think your compote is becoming too dry, so we can also add a little water into it and cook it for 1 or 2 minutes. And now my strawberry compote is ready, so we'll keep it aside in a separate bowl and let it cool. Now let's start making a first layer of a cheesecake. For that I have taken 7 to 8 Marie digestive biscuit. You can take any kind of biscuit that you like. So we will grind them into crumbs and we will mix 5 to 6 tablespoons of melted butter into it. Mix it properly. Now press the mixture into the bottom of a tiffin box to form a nice and even base. You can use a spoon or hand to press it down firmly. Once done, we'll refrigerate it for 10 to 15 minutes to set properly. For cream cheese, into a blender jar add 200 grams of paneer, 1/4 cup of sugar and 1/4 cup of fresh cream. You can use a homemade cream also. Into this we will add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and 1 or 2 drops of vanilla essence and blend this mixture to form a smooth paste. Once our biscuit crust is ready and chilled, we will pour our cream cheese mixture on top of this crust and smoothing it out evenly with the help of spoon or spatula. Once it is spread out completely, we will add a strawberry compote on it. So now we have evenly smoothed out our cream cheese layer. So on top of that I will add one more layer of a strawberry compote and we will refrigerate this for around 2 hours in the fridge, and after that our cream cheese will be set completely. So look at that, how our 3 different layers are formed. So first one is a biscuit layer, the cream cheese layer and the strawberry compote layer. So after 2 hours our cheesecake is properly set. So now let's garnish it with the freshly chopped strawberry slices before serving it. So our strawberry cheesecake is now ready. It turned out to be absolutely delicious and very tasty. Whenever you are in a mood to have a cheesecake, you can try this recipe and make this at home. So that's it for this video. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such delicious recipes, and let me know in the comments if you want to see any other variation of this cheesecake. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.